Republicans have shown zero interest in even having a conversation.
We're trying to get the Democrats to do their job, and they won't.
As you can tell, no end in sight. The government shutdown will stretch until at least Monday. The Senate's final vote before the weekend failed. The sticking point here is health care credits set to expire this year. Those credits make medical coverage cheaper for almost 1 million Georgians. Political reporter Doug Reardon is live tonight in Dunwoody. And Doug, a business owner there, now has some life-changing decisions to make on all this.
That's right, Blair, and she says she's not alone in this. Her name's Teresa Acosta. We met her today. She runs a small catering business out of her home up the road here in Dunwoody, and she uses those Affordable Care Act subsidies for health care. Tells me they save her family hundreds of dollars a month, thousands of dollars a year. And so if they disappear, she also tells me she's in big trouble. She made the tough call, Teresa did, to shutter her catering business and look for employment that offers her health care instead.
And here, that is...
In Teresa Acosta's Dunwoody garage.
These are my heat lamps.
The remnants of her dream catering small business. Boxes, cups, forks, and fixings.
Gold cutlery.
Are a neatly boxed reminder of the choice she had to make between her business and her health care.
Yeah, it was heartbreaking. I mean, I cried for 2 months, like almost every day.
When congressional Republicans indicated they wouldn't support renewing Affordable Care Act tax credits set to expire at the end of the year, she reluctantly closed her catering business to look for a job that will provide her a health plan. Her son has type 1 diabetes, and not having or not being able to afford coverage without the subsidies just isn't an option.
I was able to take care of all of his medical needs and afford it. I was able to pursue my dream business without worrying that one medical bill was going to take us out.
The subsidies cheapen health insurance for around 1 million Georgians, slashing hundreds of dollars a month off their premiums. Republicans say the program was being abused by Americans and undocumented immigrants and is now at the center of the government shutdown. On a taping of On the Record Friday, Republican strategist Don Bolia said Georgia Republicans have been against expansions of Medicare in the past, and refusing to renew the subsidies used by even Republican voters won't hurt them come election time.
It hasn't hurt the Republicans here in Georgia. So if that is a guide, there is a pathway to not expanding, but then continuing to remain popular among the electorate.
Teresa says lawmakers need to understand what they're doing as they play politics in Washington.
It's not some boogeyman that these cuts are going to hurt. It's people like me.
And of course, as for where we are in this fight, the Senate, they failed to pass a continuing resolution this morning that would have funded the government through November 21st. So after the weekend is over, it is pretty much back to square one for that chamber. We're live in Dunwoody. Doug Reardon, Atlanta News First.